It's your company that is magical, or it's your touch, I don't know. But when you are in front of me, there are many meanings to show. The meaning of love and its ways, not feeling good without you in days. Love lost is found in your eyes. I be a little dumb, being so wise. I know that I can't survive without you. I know that I so truly love you. I truly do. Things do look the same in life, but when you have that special someone besides, your world changes for good. And how your world changes in a moment. You are lost in that person's eyes. There is nothing much to suffice. Lost in the passion, as I am with you. Just want to say that I love you. We'll do it till the end of time. In your heart, it's your name 'cause you are mine. I love you a lot. Love has no definition. It's just a pure feeling of the heart. Love has no control over feelings. Just pleasant felt from start. The meaning of a true love is known with you. The meaning of a love so pure and true. Being in love with you, I feel so blessed. Having you in my life is a feeling so true. Baby, when I am not with you, I feel so wanderlust and blue. So would like to tell you that I so love you. I love you so much, my dear, that I want to be known by you. The love that you gave me in life, the passionate love all through. Things that matter in life, and strings attached to you. Your love gives me a power. Your love gives me a kick. Through all the life, thin and thick. Baby, I so love you. I mean it and true. You are the magic that I have in my life. You are that miracle that makes me feel alive. Before you, I never believed in love. I run away from it, but now I run towards it. You are the only relief that I have at the end of a tiring day. So it's time to accept what we have for each other, and from now to be truly together.